Virtual Beings News Summary, September 11, 2025. Future Secure AI, backed and piloted by Macquarie, is placing avatar workers into finance and HR workflows as agentic labor, while Meta is preparing smart glasses features to let users customize personalities, voices, and behaviors for AI-driven avatars. At the same time, Senate testimony flags the need for safeguards where avatar abuse in VR can cause real trauma to children. Technology vendors and platforms in this stack include Copresence, which turns phone scans into lifelike 3D avatars and contrasts with Meta's studio-intensive codec avatars, Holoworld AI, HOLO, which enables the creation of intelligent, task-performing virtual being agents across platforms and is distributing via Binance airdrops, ElevenLabs, which supplies voice AI used across audiobooks, dubbing, gaming, and avatars, and QMMM Holdings Limited, which is extending from virtual avatar media into a blockchain AI data marketplace and avatar-driven virtual apparel. Boise State University integrates AI avatars into course delivery in Team 303, aligning classroom practice with the broader diffusion of generative AI tools such as ChatGPT and Google Gemini and demonstrating avatars as instructional agents. Vodafone Germany is running an AI influencer on TikTok for campaign work, reflecting a category that includes well-known AI influencer Lil Miquela, while Nike's CloneX series anchors the linkage between brand activity, avatar wearables, and metaverse-oriented digital collectibles. Third Verse and Sanrio's Hello Kitty Skyland moves social VR fandom into a closed beta phase with avatar-based play. Zeta's AI characters drive teen adoption in Korea through intimacy-scripted interactions, and Tavern AI provides an open-source path to craft personalized AI sidekicks, complementing the Nano Banana AI model for narrative-driven companion experiences. Born, a Berlin startup, raised $15 million to advance social AI companions, including the virtual pet Pengu, and to expand its AI character engine and a youth-focused social product, positioning companions as supports for loneliness reduction. ABBA Voyage continues its run of concerts built around digital avatars of the band at a purpose-built Stratford venue, with ticketing extending into 2026, underscoring the viability of avatar-led performances as a long-running show format. Marina Bay Sands Autumn Showcase concept uses a metaverse environment in which conference delegates appear and navigate as avatars, using in-world chat to coordinate, illustrating venue-scale adoption of avatar-mediated attendance. Harsha P. Deka's campaign offers fully rigged, custom 3D avatars for VTubers and virtual world users, along with optional physical figurines, indicating a maturing toolchain that links avatar identity to merchandise-ready outputs. Analogi.net promotes Silvio as a hireable digital human HR interviewer, signaling a transactional pathway to place a digital interviewer in real screening flows. Mirako shows an operational digital human, Maya, upgraded from a static model into an agentic actor capable of interactive, goal-directed exchanges, illustrating movement from demonstration avatars to tools that handle tasks with autonomy. Reddit discussions of Elite Dangerous, Critical Role, and Hitman underscore how players and audiences evaluate NPC personality, consistency, and believability, while the Bilibili Mad Island NPC mod showcase demonstrates user-driven pipelines that alter NPC behavior and presentation, with Bilibili.com serving as the distribution and feedback platform. MetaHuman templates for Unreal Engine 5.6 provide rapid, style-consistent character creation inside the engine's native ecosystem. A contemporaneous MetaHuman for Maya note indicates that Maya 2025.3 integration may require explicit compatibility updates. The VH Toolkit, VHTK, at ix.usc.edu appears as a mature, well-documented legacy resource for building interactive virtual humans. At the prosumer end, HeyGen supports creation of a personalized AI avatar with voiceover for self-expression and content production, lowering the barrier to entry for individual creators. Virtual being production in music and fandom continues to professionalize. Suno AI and Udio power multilingual virtual singers by generating melodies and harmonies, while Bilibili pilots AI-assisted anime creation and explores effect-aware VTuber companionship to deepen viewer attachment. Mixed reality play extends this logic with Star Wars: Beyond Victory, which lets users stage unlockable digital characters in physical spaces, and the virtual human Ima exemplifies a creator stance that prioritizes ongoing, relationship-centric engagement over one-off commands. Enterprises are operationalizing front-office synthetic personas and toolchains. Alibaba DingTalk users such as Shunfu Precision are piloting digital human marketing for acquisition and service. Phase Core Technology is positioning an in-car digital human as a conversational interface for vehicle interaction. and creative pipelines based on HeyGen and Runway Supply brand-ready virtual hosts and animated explainers, indicating that customer engagement, sales enablement, and assistance are converging on persistent, on-brand virtual beings. News organizations are trialing digital human presence both in studio and on-site. Xinhuanet documents digital human newscasting as part of a broader synthetic media expansion, while Shaman Daily fielded a dual presenter format pairing a human reporter with a digital twin at a major trade fair, showing that editorial workflows can incorporate consistent avatar presentation alongside live reporting. Mainstream avatarization now includes turnkey 3D character creation and remix. Google's consumer-facing features enabled viral 3D digital avatars of public figures, and meme-driven appearances of public official avatars show that simplified, stylized digital likenesses spread rapidly when tools lower creation friction, making casual avatar play a fixture of everyday social media. Replika exemplifies persistent, personalized AI companionship where the virtual being's design choices, supportive stance, non-judgment, optimize for relationship continuity and emotional scaffolding rather than task throughput, reinforcing the sector's focus on effective reliability and user-specific memory. Clinical interfaces are testing whether avatar mediation can improve user trust and task adherence. The Technische Universität München ultrasound avatar demonstrates that a consistently presented, intelligible agent can increase patient confidence in imaging procedures, suggesting targeted medical roles for avatars where clarity, predictability, and bedside manner matter. Courts are articulating rights around virtual likeness and performance. Beijing decisions recognize personality rights coverage for AI-generated virtual images and voices, and a Hangzhou case involving the virtual digital human ADA underscores that motion capture performances are protectable, and that platforms such as TikTok can be vectors in unauthorized dissemination, setting early patterns for enforcement and platform responsibility. Collaborations between publishers and academia are converting literary IP into participatory virtual beings. Kodansha's project with Tohoku University to co-develop the AI character RD with fans operationalizes a training through fandom model in which community interaction continuously shapes the character's knowledge and behavior. Yangshi Unicom and Luxshare Intelligent Manufacturing are using digital human instructors in their factories to standardize skills training and improve manufacturing and operational efficiency. Ubei's traditional clothing industry is introducing AI digital human anchors in parallel with smart hanging and automatic sorting systems to connect production and marketing. Guangzhou Industrial Control Group is promoting collaboration with universities and research institutions to cultivate digital human-related talent and build capabilities through industrialization. These scenarios collectively illustrate the enterprise-level deployment path and efficiency goals of digital humans, from knowledge transfer and on-the-job training to the front end of marketing. Baidu disclosed in a Hong Kong report that the conversion rate of digital human live broadcasts exceeds that of real people and implemented million-dollar incentives. It combined the Wenshin Big Model X 1.1 deep thinking model to drive the human performance and content generation of ultra-realistic live broadcasts, demonstrating its model and business integration in the commercialization of digital human live broadcasts. Keyiyun uses digital human live broadcast all-in-one machine and digital human live broadcast system to provide integrated broadcast control and immersive experience commercial solutions to help merchants reduce costs and increase efficiency. Wenshin Exhibition Service Company Limited introduced digital human advertising and immersive experience space at the Shanghai International Printing and LED Digital Signage Joint Exhibition to expand new marketing. The Guangdong Live E-Commerce Association, in conjunction with platforms, parks and governments, will incorporate AI digital human into live e-commerce training and ecological collaboration. Nanning Normal University launched its labor education AI digital human teaching assistant system, focusing on intangible cultural heritage courses, after 3 months of development and live audio demonstrations. NetDragon showcased its interactive AI digital human at the United Nations 2025 Digital Learning Week, paired with a Promethean Active Panel 10 interactive tablet and Rocket R, immersive education equipment, creating a multimodal interactive combination for classroom and training. Gansu Province has continuously refined its cultural and museum digital human commentary and released 8 episodes of content to support exhibitions related to Fuxi culture. In a Guangdong education report, Teacher Huan used digital human narrative technology to train virtual avatars of digital elders to preserve rural memories. In Shenxi, a digital human floating in the air demonstration was used for public cultural communication and exhibition. At the 2025 BMW Open Innovation Tour, Shangxin released the AI digital human for human-computer interaction for future travel, which will be used for cabin services, brand tours, or customer service reception, reflecting the front-end trend of virtual humans in vehicle-mounted and travel scenarios. The Hangzhou Court and the Hangzhou Intellectual Property Court have sorted out the adjudication ideas and behavioral boundaries, including the digital human case around new cases such as whether one-click generation of seeding copy is an infringement, forming a predictable Hangzhou plan to provide a reference for the definition and compliance of rights involving digital human images, content generation and commercial use. The institutions in this section are the Hangzhou Court and the Hangzhou Intellectual Property Court, each counted once. The short play of Chin Bamboo Slips Could Talk was presented in Wuhan on a stage where the digital human Zai interacted with children across time and space. It combined the interpretation of historical themes with character expression, and demonstrated the role-building and audience performance interaction of digital humans in the intersection of stage art, popular science, and youth education. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.